Hey there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ames and I am a Kartra template designer and an online course coach. In this training, I'm going to walk through my Sonoma Kartra template. If you are looking to build an audience or build your newsletter with a free training, a free workshop, a free masterclass, or if you want to do a paid masterclass that's low cost, you can use this template very easily. This is going to save you hours and hours of time. So first, with the workshop funnel, you get a beautiful landing page that will be a place for your audience to opt in to this free training. So I have it all set up where the landing page is designed. It also includes the opt-in forms. And then once they are opted in, they get added to an email sequence that I have done for you. That's 5 days of emails all put together for you. So if you do want to offer a paid training instead of a free training, you could change this opt-in form to a checkout and easily use this template to do a low cost or even a high cost masterclass or workshop. So with this landing page, it's all about the workshop. You can talk about what they'll get in the workshop. It introduces you in this section, and then it also has a little bit more about your background and mission. You can obviously change the images, change the branding colors, add your own copy. You can use this and make this however you want it to look for your brand. And then there's another call to action here. There's a section on DMs of people who have attended the workshop. And so you can add this in once you have some more people who have attended the workshop and all the great things they're saying. And then on the bottom here, I have added a section for them to follow you on Instagram. I also have included a thank you page or a success page, which automatically, once they opt in, they get taken to this page, and it just tells them that they're registered for the free training. It also allows you to link the training here if they want to get right started into the training. You could also change this to another call to action or an upsell, or you can just remove this button as well. And then after they opt into this training, they will automatically get added to a series of 5 emails. Now with these emails, I also give you the Canva templates I use so you can easily change them into your own branding. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So this is the day 1 of the email template. Once this is imported into your Kartra account, you will have a series of 5 emails that you can easily change to say whatever you want to say, but I have done the heavy lifting to set up a beautiful email in Kartra, a little bit nicer than the standard Kartra email. It has a header here, it has a footer, and it also includes the video splash covers to make it a little bit more enticing for them to watch your training. So I give you the Canva template. So you can change this to put your training topic here. You can change this in your branding colors. This all comes with Canva. And you can do free training day 1, day 2, day 3, bonus content, and then ready for next steps. And then here is a footer that's in all of the emails. And of course, you can change this to say whatever you want. So here's day 1. You have day 2. Day 3, bonus content, or day 4, so you can add another extra bonus, and then next steps. So this is where you can offer your audience a discount code to go to that next level, whether it's another digital product, whether it's a paid course or another freebie, whatever you want them to do. Maybe it's a one-on-one consultation. This is what you'll put in the last email. And so basically you have a 5-day funnel already put together for you. So all you need to do if you want to offer this to your audience is focus on creating 3 days of training and maybe some bonus content, either a video, a download, whatever. In these videos, you could create 10 to 20 minutes of content and they get 3 days of content for free. So again, this is going to save you hours and hours of time. People who have purchased my Kartra templates, you can read the reviews. I have saved them so much time because I have done all the heavy lifting for you. So if you want this free workshop template, then I will put a link in the notes of where you can get this template. And then I am going to also do another YouTube video on the full Sonoma template, which includes everything I just showed you, but it also includes a full website website, which I'll show you in the other video. I'll put a link on where you can get that as well. So if this was helpful, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any questions about this template, how it works, what you get, please put that in the comments as well. And of course, like and subscribe if you liked this content and want more of it.